So it's one of a kind trip I've come. Oh, Jax, come on. Come on, Jax. So hey guys, host me Sandeep back again. So today is 6th of September 2020 and it's a night day and I'm headed to a place where I've already been once and it was a fabulous place. So I always make it a point to ride to new places. This time we're riding to an old place. Nonetheless, it's just too beautiful even if you visit multiple times. It's because our friends wanted to visit, so here it is. So I'm not going to vlog much because I'm not in the proper mood to vlog. So I'm going to leave it at this and I'm going to see you in the road in some time from now. Let me get ready now. Wear my jackets, put on my helmets and everything and see you downstairs and see you in the road. Hi guys, I'm joined by Jugs and Mitham Bhai over here. So this is energy booster for us. So yeah. So we'll actually late by half an hour. We're supposed to leave by 6 o'clock in the morning. However, it's okay. Always half an hour here and there. So we'll take some pictures and leave from here. We're heading towards Timappan Betta and Kannur is over here. So alright, so hey guys, ride day today, Sunday morning, beautiful Sunday morning today, and get another ride. We're meeting almost after a month and this time we're heading to Timappan Betta with same folks, same bikes, new energy I should say, yeah. Alright, so let's head straight now without wasting much time. So hey guys, right now we are in Ramnagara, about to take a deviation towards Timappan Betta. We have stopped for tea. Time is 8:30 right now and I've got this tea, homemade tea. We're carrying everything from our homes to be on a safer side, and it's a nice idea. The bonding gets more. The more we share, it's good going. It's like a school. It reminds me of school days. We used to share our lunch.
The more we share,
yeah,
the more we care.
Yeah. Thank you, Masam Bhai. There is Mr. Masam Bhai, as always, pumped up. The boy of Bangalore, yeah, the gadget man, always having his camera, everything ready. So we'll have tea and then we'll go to our destination, yeah. So hey guys, I've come here and I'm going to take some pictures.
Masam Bhai put his bike here. We'll take one picture from opposite direction.
So hey guys, we're on our way to Timappan Betta and we spot this beautiful place, so we thought we can take some pictures out here, cool pictures. That's
a few moments later.
So hey guys, what happened was my bike was in ignition position for almost 1 hour, so due to which the battery drained down and we had a torrid time getting the bike to the on position, getting the bike to turn on. Had a torrid time. We couldn't do that because of the surface, so we had to come to the main road and then we had to go till there. He had to push the bike, so only then the bike started. Yay! So in fact even Jagadish, the boy of Bangalore, his bike also had a problem somehow, because the bike battery had drained down completely. But now it's okay, so no problem. I can see a lot of people here today. because of the weekend. So भाई लोग आ गए हैं हम तिम्मापुरम में. Finally I'm here after 2 years. A beautiful scenery around. Look at that. I didn't tell you you'll be lost, and I think you're gonna get lost now after seeing this beautiful, fantastic view out here. So we'll do one thing. We'll go straight to that other point. Yeah, all right. So let's go. Masa mein left लीजिए. Left लीजिए. लेकिन भाई लोग बहुत ऊँचा रहना पड़ेगा. इंक्लाइन एकदम. वहाँ से जा सकते हैं. लास्ट टाइम मैं थोड़ा गिरने वाला था यहाँ पे. सो इट्स रियली डेंजरस. हाँ नहीं, वो ट्रेकिंग किया है. ट्रेकिंग है वो, बाइक नहीं जाता. ट्रेकिंग है, ट्रेकिंग. भाई लोग चलो. चलो आप लोग. मेरे को डर लगता है. लास्ट टाइम मेरे रॉयल एनफील्ड में प्रॉब्लम हुआ था मुझे. ये गाड़ी में राइट साइड में प्रॉब्लम है. वही सोच रहा हूँ. मेरा बाइक बहुत डेंजर है. लास्ट टाइम मस्त भाई बहुत प्रॉब्लम, क्योंकि इंक्लाइन है ना, ये बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है गाड़ी को. बहुत इंक्लाइन है.
धीरे धीरे चलना. हाँ सपोर्ट है. आराम से स्लोली. यूज योर डिस्क. डोंट यूज योर.
अभी कैसे लेंगे बोले तो मस्तम भाई, वहाँ से एक जगह है ना, वहाँ से जाएंगे. वाओ.
So this dude is attended about 45 national rallies.
So hey guys, it's a terrible time because of the fact that Royal Enfield Interceptor is a very heavy bike. So you got to put each and every step carefully. One wrong foot is going to land, it's going to put you in trouble. One wrong move of yours. That's why I say I'm terribly scared. Thank you, bro. Hey guys, hosting Sandeep back again. So दोस्तों, I'm back here at Timmapuram, the place where I had come 2 years back. So it's reminding me of all the memories, memory down the lane. It is taking me to the memory back before 2 years, and I've come here. Last time I had come early in the morning, about 8 o'clock or 9:30 we had come, so there was hardly any crowd. Today I've come, there are a lot of people here. A big biking group has come all the way from Bangalore, and we had a good chat with him as well. And the founding member of the group over there, Akash, he's also a tattoo artist. He owns a studio in OMBR layout that's closer to my place. So yeah, so it's a It's a beautiful feeling every time we come here. The best thing about this place is, last time I had spoken about this, that it's not as commercialized as Nandi Hills, and of course to come on top, it's on your own risk, because there are a lot of uneven surface here, incline and steep, so you got to be very careful, and getting your heavy bikes is a challenge in itself. And every time I come here, I have my heart in my mouth. So in both the occasions I had a torrid time. Somehow I've come here. A lot of people here today, a big biking group I was talking about. The only thing that we're not too happy about is the weather. It's too hot right now. Of course, this is the time where it's too hot. Yeah, that's it. So we didn't have a breakfast yet. So there's Jagdish, the boy of Bangalore. He's got his own portable kitchen right now. So he's gonna cook Maggie for us. We've got Maggie. He's gonna cook Maggie. So we're gonna have Maggie. Only then we'll have more energy in ourselves to be able to shoot pictures and videos and stuff. That's it. Gonna have breakfast now. Hey guys, so there he is, the boy of Bangalore. He's cooking Maggie for all of us. Akshay,
Come taste and go. ए ना माँ
Akshay था ना?
बड़ा हो भी चुपके नाम बोलने का हाँ वो नहीं है
अच्छा, so he's cooking Maggie for.
उसका ग्रुप ही बड़ा है
So he's cooking Maggie for us. So Jagdish, as you're cooking, let me ask you a few questions.
प्लीज आस्क
Jagdish, how did this entire idea of cooking and this gas stuff came to you? Tell me.
See, actually, I am a very passionate towards traveling
Cooking,
and not
adventure.
only cooking.
Adventure, basically an adventure
basically
guy.
adventure, but I love cooking and as you know, I also travel. So I thought it is a Corona time, so let's not have outside.
Yeah.
As you would have seen in his vlog, in the Gracie vlogs, that
Right.
we didn't have food outside.
Yeah, in
so
the
we
last-
carried from house.
Yeah.
So what I thought is, Dan, waking your like your mother and saying that cook for me in the early mornings, why don't we carry our stuffs so that we don't disturb anyone, and on the other
But
hand
don't
it
you
is an
think
adventure also.
it is an adventure? But yes, there's a downside, because as you're busy cooking, you can't explore.
See,
So do you feel that?
no, because I love cooking.
Oh, you love cooking.
So I believe like I love cooking for others than for myself.
Okay, so let me ask you this question then. If you love cooking for others, do you also do catering?
no, I don't.
Because I want to invite you next time I have a birthday party.
I will love to make paneer and vegetarian food, but I'm also expert in preparing biryani. So
Chicken biryani,
yeah,
mutton biryani.
chicken, mutton. Mutton I have not tried. Only chicken I have tried. So next time, if you people ask me to cook, definitely I'll go cook.
The Maggie, he's cooking the Maggie, beautiful Maggie in the preparation for us. And like I said, दोस्तों मैंने जैसे बोला था कि धूप ज़्यादा है, तो धूप ज़्यादा है दोस्तों.
मुझे कितना अच्छा एक shelter.
However,
Thank you so much.
he's
Welcome.
the Maggie is ready and we are all hungry. We are all gonna pounce on that Maggie. The poor Maggie is not gonna survive more than 2 minutes.
The best
That's
thing.
it. guys, so it's time for me to climb. Hoping we have taken everything back and it's time to climb. Hopefully I'll be able to do it without much trouble. Oh yeah. Oh, look at the beautiful scenery around. The only problem today was it was too much hot and humid. The rest everything was fine. The view is absolutely magnificent, fantastic, mind-boggling, brilliant. Except the view, everything else is fine. And too much of hydration. We are dehydrated. We must keep ourselves hydrated.
हम लोग जा रहे हैं दूसरे डेस्टिनेशन में सैलीबाई।
पानी पानी भाया, पानी दे दो भाया। चलो भाई लोग, actually we lost our way. We're actually going in the right direction. However, our dear friend Jags wanted to follow GPS, and this is how we landed up coming here. We're actually on the right direction, but then he told no, GPS is right, so we headed and this way ended up, and we are going again to the same place where we took diversion. So right now we'll go to same place, and from there, as you can see, that is the, from there you could see the Kanwa Dam literally.
कैसा बनाते हैं पनीर?
दूध को फाड़ के
फोड़ के ना?
Hey you,
दूध ना
Jags.
मसरूम।
Hey you Jags.
yes boy.
ಹೌದು ಮಸರು।
Hey you Jags.
So finally the paneer is in making, and within 5-10 minutes it'll be ready.
Wow.
So
Hey guys, time for food now. Guys, it's time for food now. Got this beautiful parotas and paneer made by our dear Jags out there, passionate cook. Cheers. Cheers, bro. Let's try it. You have to cook for us. So hey guys, we are back. I am back rather. So this is the beautiful Kanwa reservoir. So where we need to cook is somewhere over there. No shelter here also.
Wait.
Wow. पानी कम है last time से. चलो. Hey. So hey guys, we are here at the beautiful Kanwa reservoir. Absolutely fantastic place, and that is that view is Timappan Betta from here, the deviation. So hey guys, I'm back again to Kanwa reservoir where I had The place where I had been 2 years back, so it's reminding me of the fond memories. It's taking me back to the memory lanes 2 years back, and the water level is pretty much same, I guess. This is Kaveri River's backwaters, which they exclusively use it for irrigation, cultivation, solely for agricultural needs, not for anything else. They don't use it for cooking or drinking either. But yeah, it's a beautiful place. Water everywhere. It's pretty huge as well. I think it's spread across. It's very huge, Kanwa Reservoir. You see the water flows from there. Water is still flowing. Oh my god, look at how much of water flows to this place.
Nice place.
This is a place where you can come, sit, relax. Of course, as long as there is no sun. Unfortunately today there's too much of heat today. You should come here on a rainy day. It'll be beautiful time you can have. That's it. I'm not interested much in vlogging because I've already made a video of this place previously about 2 years back. So I have a drone, but I'm not in the mood to fly the drone as yet. That's